Hello and welcome to a video that is probably not even uploaded on the right day.
Whoa.
Because today it's Sunday and we're filming it at like 9 p.m. on Sunday.
Why? The reason why is because we had an open house on Sunday. Just turned out to happen that we were working till 2, getting it ready, our house ready, and then we had to go to a movie, and then we had to come back.
We have to take these boxes out of our house and into the garage for open houses, because obviously you can't have this while you're showing a house.
Anyway,
So
if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you can watch day number 17, maybe on the 17th. And since Noah's not here, I've got to do his part. So we have this beautiful,
Stand on your tiptoes.
we have this beautiful piece of masterpiece here. It's pretty big. It covers all the dimensional planes of the Earth, and that's how it works basically. It's pretty large. So yeah, also golden edges. And every day we open up one of these things, and
It's got 5 presents in it.
five
for 5
presents.
kids.
That's
Even though
right.
today there's only 2 because
One's
Jonah-
asleep, one doesn't live here.
And so, and it's really late and we want to get the stuff before the day is over. So if Noah were to come here, he has stuff to do, so he can't be here. So, just us, no babies, no Noah. We're going rogue.
Let's get into number 16.
16! Oh, by the way, today is a donation day where we open up things that we're going to be donating to the children's home.
So it doesn't actually have 5 gifts for 5 kids.
Yes, today is gifts, a lot of gifts for anonymous kids.
So let's get right on into it. First we got beaker creatures.
From Learning Resources.
From Learning Resources. Thanks, Learning Resources.
For the free product.
That's right. This is like a...
Liquid Reactor Super Lab.
It comes with a surprise creature, and Micah really wanted to play with this. But we're gonna donate it because it's 5 and up, and us older children aren't too interested. Sorry, brand, but we're just not the age demographic.
Yep.
And neither is Micah, and neither is Luca. So, thank you. It's gonna go to some people who are gonna love it.
There are a lot of things in this box, but we have even more items that we're not showing that we're donating. So, you know. Alright, this right here is secret hidden picture puzzles from Highlights. Thank you, Highlights, for the free product.
My
And
childhood.
What is that?
you find, oh wow, find little things, it looks like. Secret hidden picture
You use
puzzles.
special glasses.
Oh,
Mhm.
I did some form of this at one point.
Yeah, me too. I vaguely remember doing this when I was like 6.
I remember I thought it was
Yeah.
magical.
Use the wand to find all the secrets that are here in the book. Yeah, it's one of those thingies. Use the magic wand to reveal more than 1,000 objects in these disguised hidden pictures puzzles. Can you find them all?
Well, that's pretty dang cool.
So thank you, Highlights, for the free product. It'll be going to some kids.
Next we got these plus things, and they're little puzzles, it looks like, that can create different things. And this is from, let's go with this is from Plus. So thank you Plus for the free product. Thanks FTC.
Wait, by the way, if somebody's like, why do they say free product every time they open something? It's the rules. We can't say thank you for
the gift.
For the gift, the name. But basically, we have to say thank you for free product at every single item. I mean, we are thanking them. We are thankful. But if you know why we say free product, it's because it's required by YouTube rules. The Federal Trade Commission has rules where we have to say free product. But this is another this is another book from Highlights. It is a photo puzzle. It's Photo Puzzle Mania. So thank you, Highlights, for this free product. And it
Same
is,
type of deal.
yeah, you find hidden things and pictures.
Differences.
You find differences in pictures and hidden things. It's just a whole lot of puzzles in one book.
Wow.
So thank you, Highlights, for the free product.
Next we got this Monopoly package from Hasbro. Thanks Hasbro for the free product. All right, let's go ahead and see what this is. Oh, that's gone.
I got it.
Alright, so what this is it appears to be a Pow Pow Shooty McBang Bang that instead of shooting Pow Pow ammunition, it ejects money.
As much as I would love to catch money flying through the air, I'm sure kids in need would love it too.
That's right.
Chick-a-Pig, a farm-to-table game. I really like the way this looks. This is cool. Thank you to Chick-a-Pig for the free product. An exciting, fun-filled, strategic board game where chicken-pig hybrids attempt to reach their goals while dodging opponents, hay bales, and an ever menacing
pooping cow.
I can't say words, but this looks very cool, and I like the way it looks. And it'll be going to the children's home.
Thanks, Chick-a-Pig. All right, so we got an I Spy Dig In Find It game by Briar Patch. Thanks, Briar Patch, for free product. So this product appears to be an I Spy game where you find an item in a bowl full of random little objects. So you're like, oh dang, bicycle. Then you gotta sift through this bowl and find the bicycle. All right, what is the next product? Or is that the last one?
The next product is right behind. My ear! Wow,
Whoa.
I'm great at magic. This is bones.
By Hand to Mind.
By Hand to Mind. So thank you, Hand to Mind, for the free product. And you dissect owl pellets for bones.
Owl pellets? I did that in 4th grade.
It's a STEM item, so our local children's home will probably love.
What is a STEM item?
Educational product. Science, technology, engineering, and math. So it's good and educational, so the kids at the children's home will love it. There's real owl poop in here?
Oh, no, it's
Real
not
owl
poop,
poop,
Emma.
Isn't it?
Are you dumb?
Pellets?
Let's call it pellets.
It's not poop.
What do you mean? What are they?
They hack it up.
Oh.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure. They hack up these things, and then
I don't know about you, but pellets sounds like poop to me.
I don't. They're pretty large.
What's a rabbit pellet? Poop.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not. I don't think it's poop. I'm very.
I don't know.
I'm relatively certain.
So wait, are there real bones in here?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mouse bones
So,
and stuff.
very
They
good.
hack these things up. They're wrong. This is puked up stuff from an owl.
And you find bones in it.
Pretty sure it's sanitary. Don't you worry.
I
They
mean,
sterilize them.
It comes with gloves. It comes with gloves, forceps,
There was a lot
wooden
of feathers
probes,
in the
magnifying glass, dissecting tray, and owl pellets. Everything you need to find some bones. Anyways,
Didn't we do that for a video once?
I don't think so.
Yeah, we did.
Anyways, that's it for day number 16. Thank you to all the brands for the free products. We really appreciate it, and our children's home will appreciate it as well. So, I hope this is uploaded in time, even though it's obviously not because we're filming this at 9 p.m. So, thanks for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Bye. Bye, YouTube. See you tomorrow, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.
There are rectangles right here. If you click them, you can watch more videos. There's also a circle that should be somewhere in this area. And if you click it, you'll subscribe, so do that. Sorry it's late. We had stuff to do. Bye.